techies, welcome to the Tech House. Today in this video we will be discussing about the recent leaked image of Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. It will be not called as 6 XL. Google has adopted the name Pro as other phones these days. These images were leaked by the famous leak star Jon Prosser in his YouTube channel. He has pretty much good track record of leaking the image of the phones before its launch. If you wanna watch his video, check down the description below. Finally, the Google has adopted something new in its phone design since Pixel 1. Personally, I prefer this kinds of look. It is beautiful, trendy. It has glossy back. It also adds the dual tone finishes in the back as the older Pixel phones. It is reported that Google is continuously working on its custom-made chip for its Pixel devices. The Pixel 6 series will be the first device to adopt Google Silicon 101 chip, which is custom-made chip for Google Pixel devices. We won't see Pixel devices with Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets anymore. It will be powered with own custom-made chipsets, Google Silicon 101. Let's see how this device is gonna compete with Qualcomm Snapdragon powered phone. We clearly see the Pixel 6 features dual rear camera while the Pixel 6 Pro features triple rear camera. Let's hope we will see telephoto as well as ultra-wide lens in these devices. While talking about the front, we have the bezel-less display. It has no any more thick and boring bezels around its display. For the first time, Pixel device will feature center punch hole selfie camera. Personally, I will go for center punch hole than the thick bezels and notches, which looks really boring. If you have enjoyed watching this video, do consider subscribe and drop us like down below. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.